Yo, Chris Flame-Based Roberts yma, a to be, mae o'n ôl mwy na erioed, Meet the Challenge 2. Yeah! After the amazing success of last year's competition, we're back with even more prizes, including the top prize of yours truly, Flame-Baster, coming down to your house and cooking an epic Welsh meat feast for your friends and family. There's a million different ways for you to cook your steak sandwich, but I'm going for a bit of fire and smoke in the wood oven. Go for it. Come and look at this steak. This is my favourite cut. Come in on the close-up. Look at that marbling, look at that fat, look at that deep red colour. This is a ribeye. Popped it really poeth, when you're 521 degrees. Yes, and in with the flatbread. That's one juicy ribeye. Time to build the sandwich. Here I've got some katsuobushi, bonita flakes, turbocharged with umami. A little bit of crispy lava seaweed, surf and turf vibe. Some shallots with some Korean chili flakes, some sumac, some Thai parsley, some pickled chilies. These are crazy spicy. With some liquid gold, the resting steak juices. It's epic, the Brechdan steak. Serioed, o'r Brechdan steak, mae'n epic yna. Dwi'n meddwl. Iawn ta, be ydych chi'n disgwyl am, ewch chi cwcio, tanio'r barbecue, fewn yn y gedin yn te, dwi'n poeni, dwi'n jyst llwyth o entries eto. Mae yna llwyth o prizes, a dwi'n rili edrych mlaen dod lawr o barbecue fi i cwcio i'r ultimate winner. Nice one!